my channel and welcome back to today's video. As you can see from today's title, today I am back with a try on haul and review on Vivaia shoes. I do have 3 gorgeous pairs to share with you. We're going to be reviewing them and then styling them with different outfits. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. In my channel you'll be able to find all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor content. If that's something you're into, make sure to click the subscribe button below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing. I am so excited with today's video. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Vivaia for sending out these 3 gorgeous pairs of shoes. I will leave all their website and details down below, as well as the name of these gorgeous pairs of shoes with links and all down below. If you've never heard of Vivaia, they are a sustainable footwear brand. They focus on sustainability, comfort, fashion, beautiful designs, you name it, and all their shoes are made out of 6 recycled water bottles. That is incredible. So if you love sustainability but fashion at the same time, definitely check them out. I'll leave their links and details down below. All their shoes are beautiful. They have many styles, many designs, and they are water resistant, which is incredible. So let's go ahead and move on to pair number 1. Okay, let's start off with the first pair they sent me. These are a pair of booties, and this is how they come packaged. They are black, and the reason why I got them in black is because they go with everything, and I don't really have many black shoes, so I think these are going to be great. These are called the Ryan Pro, and they are in black. They do come in multiple colors and sizes. I did get these in a size 38.5 European size. I am a size 7.5 US, and I can honestly say they fit true to size. They feature this beautiful, elegant square toe, which looks very gorgeous, elegant, and sophisticated. It also has a very small heel in the back, so they're not like completely flat. And they are more like ankle booties, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Like the stitching, the material, it's so soft, very, very comfortable, like very flexible. So when you put these on, it's almost like you are wearing like flats. They're just so comfy. The insoles are very, very cushiony on the inside. They are water repellent, which is the most amazing thing ever. So if you are unprepared on a rainy day, these are perfect. They're not gonna get soaked. They're water repellent. You can literally like drop water on them and it'll just brush off. So these are incredible, and they're gonna keep your feet nice and warm. The rubber sole is very flexible as well. These are definitely a pair of shoes that you can wear every single day, whether it be to go out, to go to work, to look stylish. These are definitely a must. I'm so happy with these beautiful shoes. Baby, you should take it slow. Here is pair number 2. And these are some flats. Can we just talk about how gorgeous and stylish these flats are? Beautiful. These are called the Melia Flats, and I love that it has this beautiful design on the side. These also come in other styles as well, in many different colors. Again, these are super flexible. The sole is just so soft and so comfortable. These are definitely the kind of flats you would want to wear to go out, to do your errands, do whatever you need to do, and they're not going to be uncomfortable. They're very beautiful. They're soft. The material is great. It's really durable yet stretchy at the same time, so it's not gonna hurt your feet while you're walking. And it does have a very small heel, so it's not like totally flat. It does have a little bit of heel to the shoe. Again, I ordered these in a size 38.5 European size. Like I said, I am a size 7.5 US size. These gorgeous flats are anti-slip and the outsoles are made out of recycled cardboard. Aren't they just so pretty? And like they're very, very stylish. I can't wait to style these out with so many outfits. So here we have the last pair. These are a pair of beautiful boots. Look at these beautiful boots. I am obsessed. Look how beautiful these are. So these gorgeous boots are called the round toe water repellent faux fur boots, and they are called the Courtney style. Look how gorgeous these are. I can't get over how beautiful these are. Look at the gorgeous design on them. It has like little Sherpa lining on the sides. It's all furry on the inside. Extremely, extremely comfortable. It's also very, very flexible as well. And look at the soles on this shoe. Wow, I am obsessed with these boots. They are absolutely beautiful. These boots have everything combined in one: functionality, stylish, comfortable, everything. And even the faux fur is recycled. Look how beautiful. The soles do have traction, so you don't have to worry about slipping. And the soles are pretty thick, but they're not heavy at all. So they're very, very lightweight. So they're not going to make you be tired after walking for hours. And I am just so excited with these boots. These are also water repellent, and you don't have to worry about them getting wet. The inside is so soft and so comfortable. It's going to keep your feet nice and warm on those cold, chilly days. And I just can't wait to wear these out. They are absolutely beautiful. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Honestly, these shoes from Vivaia are incredible. They have highly met my expectations. I am so thankful that I got to try these, and honestly I'm gonna go back to their website because I want to get some boots, some high boots. They are beautiful. You girls need to check them out. I'm gonna leave their website link, everything down below. But honestly, even their packaging, like the boxes that they come in, everything that they're packaged in is even recycled material from like recycled card boxes. So like I said, if you love anything that's sustainable yet elegant and beautiful, definitely check them out. You are not going to regret it. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you loved today's video, try on haul, and how I style these gorgeous shoes from Vivaia. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.